Hey everyone, welcome back to MegaVerse Builds. We're here once again with another full tour of the ongoing reconstruction at the Spotify Camp Nou. And as always, before we jump in, make sure you're subscribed so you never miss any of our daily updates. Your support is what keeps this channel growing and helps bring this project to more Barça fans around the world. We begin on the lateral side, where the stadium continues to evolve at an incredible pace. The ceramic lamas keep spreading across the façade, and the metallic substructure now rises through multiple levels, clearly defining the outline of the new exterior. Each frame, each bracket, each connection point is being positioned with absolute precision as the future skin of the stadium begins to form. The parking ramp next to this area is already structurally complete, and the leveling works on the surface continue as crews compact and shape the base layers. The central zone along the lateral face is almost fully leveled, leaving only the final material layer for a later phase. Everywhere you look, the alignment of the beams, the mounting plates, and the facade supports shows just how methodical this transformation is. Day by day, this entire stretch is turning into the recognizable modern profile of the new Camp Nou. Now we move to the south goal, which remains one of the fastest-moving sectors of the stadium. The metallic framework for the ceramic lamas now covers large sections of the exterior, giving this side a defined curved profile that grows more apparent with every passing day. Workers continue adjusting each mount point one by one, preparing the entire surface for the next wave of installations. On the ground level, new platforms, pathways, and structural bases are being shaped and connected to the wider circulation network of the stadium, and it's quickly matching the lateral side in terms of exterior advancement. Before we continue, remember to tap the like button. It helps push this video to more viewers, and make sure you're subscribed for daily Camp Nou updates. Moving on to the Tribune, one of the most important developments recently completed is the installation of the second section of the long escalator system. With this piece in place, one full escalator line is almost complete, and with the pace they're working at, the second line should follow soon. Across the entire Tribune, reinforcement work continues steadily as crews strengthen platforms, adjust structural joints, and prepare the interior for the expanded layout of the future stadium. It's one of the most technically detailed areas of the project, and little by little, the Tribune is gaining its final shape. And now we finish our tour at the north goal, where both the exterior and interior continue advancing side by side. Outside, the curved facade frame keeps rising, building the wave-like form that will define this entrance in the future. The ramp beside it is also progressing as crews shape the new access routes for the massive flow of supporters that will use this gate. Inside the structure, the second VIP ring grows at the same rhythm, gradually adding height and forming the next tier of hospitality zones. The diamond-shaped structure also continues gaining elevation as new layers of concrete and steel reinforcement are added. Inside this diamond, the cafeteria area is taking shape, with rebar rising for the pillars and the aluminum frame for the future glass facade already installed. And that wraps up today's full tour from the Spotify Camp Nou. Thank you all for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a daily update. Your support keeps MegaVerse Builds alive. See you tomorrow with even more progress. Visca el Barça!